is a cold front moving through.
Yes. And it's going to be cooler tomorrow.
Actually, not my words, really Bekah's words. She said that.
Yeah.
So
Words.
I don't want to take credit.
A cold front is literally moving through as we speak. But what a wonderful weekend that we had. I went cold yesterday, and I was forecasting 90 degrees. We did not make it to 90 degrees, but we were very close to it. It certainly felt like it, especially if you were out and about in the late afternoon. The UV index was also creeping up to a 7 as well. So sometimes when you're out and about this time of year, it can be really sneaky. You can get a sunburn if you're not wearing any sunscreen. I know that has definitely happened to me before. But we do have a dry cold front coming through. So behind it, winds are going to be quite breezy from the north and northwest. And it's also going to drop our humidity values as well. Hence, that is why we are under a fire danger risk that actually only continues to increase as we go into your Tuesday. So right now, surface map, there's where that cold front is, right down smack in the middle of the greater Charlotte area, and this will continue to push over towards our south and eastern counties, but we won't necessarily feel the cooler air until late tonight and, of course, by tomorrow morning. Now, no rainfall with this. We may have had a couple of light showers up towards the mountains early this morning, but all of this has since dissipated. Now, this is a fun fact that meteorologist Chris Mulcahy made this morning. It has been now the third warmest first 3 weeks of March in Charlotte since the 1800s.
Oh, wow.
And of course, with yesterday's 87 degrees, that certainly helped to it. So we've got a warm next couple of days ahead, but in true March fashion, you know, we see those temperatures go up and down. Just like yesterday, that UV index goes up to a 7 today. I know we did have some cloud cover to start off the morning off, but that really is starting to clear out. So any outdoor activities, burn time, 20 to 30 minutes, sunscreen, hat, and sunglasses definitely will be needed, especially from now all the way through about 3 o'clock. That is when the sun angle is the highest. A live look outside over towards Monroe. It is gorgeous. Definitely on the warmer side if you do have any errands to run, but really just a beautiful Monday all around. High temperatures, lower 80s, so not nearly as warm as it was yesterday, but still definitely 10 to 15 degrees above our average high for this time of year. So cold front will continue to sink down to the south, and our winds are going to be quite breezy behind it. Take a look at those blues on our service map. That is cooler air incoming for Tuesday and Wednesday. For now, we are focused on the fire danger risk. We do have all the checklists right now. Wind gusts 25 to 30 miles per hour from the north, lower humidity behind this cold front, and lots of just dry fuel, lack of rainfall. We're in a drought status. We also do have brush and leaves, especially when you think up in the higher country. They still have lots of debris from Hurricane Helene. That is the perfect fuel for any wildfire to spread. So outdoor burning, strongly discouraged. Not only today that we under a very high local fire danger risk, but as we go into tomorrow, we actually get upgraded to the red. That is an extreme fire danger, so definitely hold off on any outdoor burning. Now, as we look at rainfall over the next 7 days, we don't have any big rainmaker coming our way. So that's going to be a problem in terms of it's going to worsen our drought status. Remember, that comes out every Thursday, so we will get an update, but we have not had much rainfall since then, and we desperately need some. So we'll be looking ahead towards our next frontal system that could produce a couple of showers and thunderstorms. Super spotty looking. It does not look like it's going to produce a lot of rainfall, but that would come Friday and Friday night into early Saturday morning. Current temps now, we are in the 80s, so it is going to be a warm afternoon, but thankfully this time of year, at least we have lower humidity. Yesterday, I was talking about how, yes, we're going to have high temperatures, upper 80s, close to 90 degrees, but without the extra July humidity, and I feel like that makes all the difference. So in this Jerry Hunt Supercenter 7-day forecast, today is warm, but we take a tumble. Tomorrow morning, we'll be starting off lower to middle 40s. It's going to be a noticeable difference with a high of only 60, mix of sunshine and clouds. By the time we get into Wednesday morning, typically our coldest night when we get a cold front is actually the second night. So Wednesday will be even colder, upper 30s, close to 40 degrees, but highs will rebound, upper 60s, close to 70. No freezing mornings actually to look forward to in this week ahead, even though temperatures go up and down. But if you are planning on doing any gardening or outdoor planning, April 10th is still our average last frost date, so you'll want to wait for that because this is March Madness. I mean, we've got 60s Tuesday and then upper 80s, I should say, for Friday. And our hottest temperature so far this year has been 87 degrees. We did that in February and we did that yesterday. We just can't seem to get past this mark. So we'll see if we'll creep up above that. But you know what? Not looking too bad.
Just a roller coaster, like I'm
It
looking
is.
at. I mean, it looks like a roller coaster. The actual 10 day and 7 day.
Our average high for this time of year is 66. So when we talk about 80s, that's not really like our normal high for this time of year. But we are set for one of the warmest Marches that we've ever had on record. So that says a lot.
Finally, some rain, possibly Friday.
Yes.
We need that.
Yeah.
Not a big rain fan, but we need it.
We do. We'll take anything that we can get.
Right.
Yeah.
Bekah, thank you for your time. I won't blame you for anything else.